how long have you been teaching English and Arabic?
So I started teaching Arabic 3 years ago.
Mhm.
English, it was like 2 years ago.
I see. Very nice. Now, are the methods that you use different in Arabic versus English?
Well, it depends actually on the level that I teach. For example, in Arabic, I teach first and second grade. I start from syllables, alif, ba, ta, and those alphabets, Arabic alphabet.
Ah, that's right.
One of the games that I use in my classes is that I give them words, like, and then they have to decide or to determine the common sound in
Mm.
all the words. Yes,
That's a good one. Yeah.
phonetics. So, and then, for example, I teach them how to read a word by syllable, and then they have to read the words
Yeah.
all along. And this is how I teach them. Sometimes I give them stories, and then I ask them some comprehension questions about the characters, about the time, the place where
Yeah.
the actions take place, and everything. Some detailed questions too,
Yeah.
and yes, to test their listening comprehension.
I see.
Um,
Very interesting. Yeah. Uh-huh.
About so when it comes to teaching English, I work most of the time with intermediate students. I focus
Mm.
on speaking lessons. In my classes, I do like I divide my lesson in three parts. First part is about reading. I choose a specific topic, let's say immigration, for example.
Yeah.
I suggest a short text that suits the student's need. The purpose of reading is to improve the reading skill and improving the pronunciation of each and every word in the text, and then the comprehension of the ideas that was included in the text. And then we move on to vocabulary. I choose about five or more vocabulary words, and then I give them the definition and some example sentences to know exactly how you can use each word in a different context. And then the last part is about discussion, where I give them and I ask them many questions, different questions about the ideas, and they have to come up with their opinion and the arguments. And that's how they
Yeah.
practice what we have learned in the previous steps of the class.